Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you another recipe in my very own version of almond chocolate cheese bars. So to start with, I need this food processor to make these treats. Yeah. First of all, I have this half a cup of almond, roasted almond. So I'm gonna put it inside and blend it first. Yeah. So we just blend it for a few seconds, and now I have these 6 dates. So I have to take out the seeds first, yeah. Just take out the seeds, and you just cut it and put inside. I have this 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 125 grams of butter. And now what we do is we're gonna mix again. Okay. So just mix this, guys, for 1 minute, yeah. And you can see, look at that, it's too smooth, yeah. So that's what we want. And now we're gonna pour this one in our base, yeah. And we just pour this slowly. Yeah. So now we can put this one in the oven for 30 minutes. Yeah. And after that, I will show you the result. So guys, 30 minutes is already over, and so we're gonna take out this one. And okay, so what we're going to do now is to let this one set for at least 6 hours, and after that you put it in the fridge to chill for another maybe 1 hour before you cut this one. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.